Okay, hey everyone, this is Sahitya from AceHack3.0. Today we will be talking about what is AceHack 3.0 and general doubts, questions from the participants. So, whether you will get accommodation or not, whether you will get food or not, or is it paid or it's a free event. So, we'll talk about this general questionnaires today. We have two hosts, so they will talk about, and they also asked me some question about AceHack 3.0. So, just go ahead for their introduction at first.
Hey everyone, my name is Rohit Singh. I'm the core member of AceHack 3.0.
Hello folks, myself Aradhya Kaur and I am the core member of AceHack 3.0.
Our first question is what is hackathon? Why developer and student should participate?
Okay. So, hackathon is a 36-hour, maybe 24-hour, maybe 48-hour marathon where all the people sit in one place and they're trying to solve some problem. So let's take one example. So you heard about SIH, right? Smart India Hackathon. तो उधर पे क्या होता है? They receive some sort of problem statement from the industry, and the students or the hackers try to solve that problem statement in some particular time frame. So nothing but hackathon is a place where all the developers, innovator, designer come to one place and they try to solve and they try to build some certain projects for the society. And ASAC 3.0 is similar to that, and people will be there, developers will be there, innovators, entrepreneurs will be there, and they will solve some real world problem for the society.
My second question is this: what is AceHack 3.0 and how it is different from AceHack 2.0?
Okay. Interesting question. So AceHack 3.0 this time will be a huge in Jaipur. So in AceHack 2.0, let me give you some glimpses about AceHack 2.0. And AceHack 2.0, we have approx 3,000 response all over from all over India. Like people join from Kashmir, Kanyakumari, and also from the south part of India. So we received 3,000 response, and in person there is like around 616% hackers and 170 projects built on the hackathon. And this is like one of the biggest event in the Jaipur community. And this time SX 3.0 we're introducing CTF. So this is a new concept in this particular scenario. So we'll be having in-person CTF, and also this time we will be having a lots of bounties from the Web3 domain, blockchain domain. So we will see lots of craze, lots of developers will be there, and they will try to solve for some problem statement. So okay, so this time above 500 people will join and they will solve for the society, and you can see lots of personalities like DGP or maybe some co-founders will be there in this in person in Jaipur. So and also like there will be lots of fun and lots of bounty. Like if you go to asac.evm.edu.in, you will see like 25 lakh worth prize pool will be there. So it's not a simple amount. So go and register for this ASAC 3.0. Yep, that's it about ASAC 3.0 and a bit difference from ASAC 2.0.
I think it was a very main question which was asked. What is the participation criteria and will student get accommodation?
Okay. So participation criteria that very simple. Students should have some basic understanding about programming, or they're having a decent knowledge about development, and they are having a will to solve a real world problem statement. That will be the criteria. Okay, and now let's talk about accommodation. So we will be providing accommodation to you guys, so don't worry about the hotel and other stuffs. So we'll be providing some common room to the girls, the boys, so that you can easily stay, or also free food will be definitely there. So let's say you are coming from far away from Jaipur, but you need some accommodation and food support before the event. So if you can join one day prior to the main event, you can definitely get accommodation from our side and as well as the food support from our side. But yes, we don't provide the travel, right? We are providing the accommodation and the food stuffs. So yeah.
Are you charging anything from the students?
Okay, so hackathon is completely free for all of you. So you just have to come, register, and build some good projects in the hackathon. That's it. Rest of the thing, fooding, lodging, your restroom, everything will be on us. So, yeah.
And what are the tracks on which developers can build their projects?
So there are lots of track. You can go to asac.um.edu.in. So you can see Web3 and blockchain track will be there. CTF is a security track will be there. You can build web and app applications. You can build some good projects on Gen AI, generative AIs, and lots of things will be there. So you can check it out website. All the details, all the everything is mentioned over there. And also, if you have any kind of query, you can directly join our Discord server and you can ask whatever you want.
Any bounties and grants are available for the students?
Okay, so let's talk about bounties. So you onboarded approx four companies for the bounty. So first one is Stellar. So what you can get, let's say you are building one project on the Stellar ecosystem. So you will get $50 bounty in hand. Each project will get $50 bounty in person. Okay. Second thing is, let's say you have a good startup idea or you want to build a good projects in the blockchain domain on the Stellar ecosystem. So you can avail up to 10k US dollar. So you can convert it in the INR. Okay. Second thing is Nordic is our powered by sponsors. Nordic is sponsoring two track. One is Nordic Genesis, so it's like an education grant, and second thing is DeFi protocol. So let's say one project's built on Nordic chain, and it's like a in the DeFi protocol, right? So they will get 500 up to 500 NRK coins, and it's worth around 500 USD. And also the top performer or maybe the top hack built on this particular hackathon will get 500 USD from the Nordic ecosystem, right? And next, let's talk about Arcway. So Arcway is providing up to 10k US dollar fund. Those people will build some good projects on the Arcway track. Also, there is Polygon, Replit, and Aptos is also there. So Aptos is very famous. So if you are building some projects on the Aptos ecosystem, you will get approx 2000 USDT in your bank account. So this kind of thing you can avail, and multiple things is there. Some credits will be there. Let's say we are building any kind of security project, so Quill audits will be there to help you out. So multiple tracks is there, multiple bounties is there. So all the things is mentioned in the dev folio. So go to the dev folio and you can see all the bounties will be mentioned proper way.
Will participant get any swags?
Okay, ठीक है. So this time every participants will get one t-shirt, exclusive t-shirt from AceHack team. On top of this, there will be lots of stickers, water bottles, cups, multiple stuffs will be there. So don't forget to join AceHack, and there will be lots of fun sessions, like lots of games will be there. So try to participate in that game and try to avail the swags. So whenever you are doing some activity, you will get certain swags, right? So every participant will get some sort of t-shirt swags from our end.
Tell some insights of the hackathon, like judges, mentors, and sponsorship.
Interesting. Okay, so in the judging panel, right, there will be a huge personality from Dubai. The co-founder of Nordic, Mr. Rajesh Kashyap, will be there as a judge. And on top of this, there are lots of personalities, some YouTubers, some SDs. They will judge your projects as well. And for the mentor part, some SDs like Zomato's SD, Blue Smart, and lots of people will be there. So throughout the event, you can see like around 25 to 30 mentors will be surrounded. They will be roaming around the hackathons, and whenever you are facing any kind of issue or if you need any kind of suggestions, you can directly ask the mentor. So don't think that you are hacking alone. There will be lots of people who will help you, will guide you throughout the whole event. So yeah, that's the thing.
Anything else you want to share about this hackathon? About this AceHack 3.0?
So, guys, mark my word, this AceHack 3.0 will be the one stop solution for you. So, if you want to get a job, or maybe want to get a freelance opportunity, or maybe you want to get a good bounty in your projects, this AceHack 3.0 will be one stop solution for you. And this time, we're targeting a good quality developers in this particular hackathon. So, Jaipur, there's lots of hackathon happening, but mark my word, after ASAC 3.0, you will see a lots of change in the particular society because people are not aware about the boundaries. They don't know how to use Web3 tracks in their particular projects. So ASAC 3.0 will be the solutions for you. And if you miss this opportunity, I guess you will miss a lots of thing in this particular, in your life actually. So if you're a good programmer or you want to be a good software engineer in your life, then this is the best thing, guys. And or kya, do register in asac.uvm.edu.in. See you at 6 and 7 of April in at UEM Jaipur, University of Engineering and Management Jaipur.